This home is very unique contemporary styling, and it had a roof that was put on in the early 2000s, which not only had a problem with the material it was made from, but the actual roof tile was no longer in existence. So we looked for something that would last a long time, that would wear well, that would look good. When I saw the first DaVinci Slate shingles themselves, I realized with what care they'd been crafted and how unique each one was. And then obviously getting the type of warranties we got on the actual materials themselves made us understand that this roof is the most resilient and long-lasting roof we could possibly have got for this house. I think the best compliment that we received was they think that the roof is better than the roof that was designed to start off with, which is the ultimate compliment for an architectural masterpiece like we have here.